2019 A4 with a 2.0 liter engine turbo, cylinder number 2 with low compression, 129 psi. All the other cylinders reading 185 psi. So there was a problem here on the cylinder. You see that piece of metal right there stuck in the oil pickup tube. So that's probably from the piston. Gotta remove that piece and see what it looks like. But there's a mechanical issue here, so the engine's gonna have to be taken apart and investigate, what's the issue here. More than likely it's gonna be that piston number 2, something in there. But yeah, that's the reason of the low compression of this engine. You don't see any metal pieces here on the oil pan. Normally you'll see metal particles right here or anything, but lucky enough for me, I found a piece stuck in there in the oil pickup too. Thanks for watching.